Hello everyone, let's now shift our attention towards another activity. See how I am going to make some of the lines, and then from these lines I am going to make a beautiful flower out of it. This activity is very easy and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Fill it with some of your favorite colors and don't forget to draw the stalk like I am doing here, and the leaf is must because it's very important. Let's move towards another activity. I'm going to trace down my hand as shown on your screen. You can just repeat it for the two hands, and after that I'm going to convert them into a cute little gloves, and then you can add more patterns like shown here. This activity is very simple and easy. Just give it a try. It's just Christmas inspired one. Let's move towards the another project. Here I'm going to show you how I'm going to make these strokey lines as a palette on your screens. You can just pause the video and then try to convert it into a cute beautiful flower. This activity is little bit time consuming. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. You can make use of the different chalk. Here I'm using the red one because I think it looks so pretty good, and the stalk is to be made using the green chalk. From the number 5, we are going to show you how we can convert it into a line. Our main focus is that the main should become perfect, and then the rest of the features are to be taken into consideration. This activity is very simple and easy, best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Thank you.